The creative industry just changed forever. Adobe has launched 10 AI-powered agents, capable of automating everything from marketing campaigns to content production, data analysis, and even customer engagement, without human intervention. This isn't just another AI update, it's a shift in how businesses and creatives operate. The question now is, will this revolutionize creativity, or will AI replace creative professionals entirely? In this video, we'll break down exactly what these AI agents do, how they work together, and what this means for the future of the creative industry. Let's dive in. Adobe's 10 AI agents. Adobe announced these AI agents at the Adobe Summit 2025, calling them purpose-built AI assistants, designed to automate workflows inside the Adobe Experience Platform, AEP. These agents aren't limited to a single function. They cover marketing, sales, content production, and data analysis, allowing businesses to streamline complex tasks with AI-powered efficiency. The account qualification agent analyzes leads and prioritizes high-value customers, ensuring that sales teams focus on the most promising opportunities. The audience agent optimizes audience segments based on engagement data, making targeting more precise and effective. Meanwhile, the content production agent automates the creation of branded marketing content, ensuring consistency while reducing manual work. For data-driven operations, the Data Insights agent extracts key insights from enterprise data, enabling companies to make informed decisions. The Data Engineering agent manages data integration, cleansing, and transformation at scale, reducing the workload on IT teams. The Experimentation agent allows businesses to simulate and test different marketing strategies before execution, ensuring campaigns are optimized before launch. On the customer experience side, the Journey agent enhances interactions across multiple touchpoints, while the Product Advisor agent acts as an AI-powered shopping assistant, helping customers make informed purchasing decisions. The Site Optimization agent continuously monitors and fixes website performance issues automatically, improving user experience and engagement. Lastly, the Workflow Optimization agent streamlines internal processes by managing approvals and project timelines, boosting overall efficiency. These AI agents work together inside the Agent Orchestrator, a new AI-powered system within Adobe Experience Platform, AEP, that enables companies to manage multiple AI agents in real time. With over 1 trillion digital experiences activated per year using AEP, Adobe expects AI-driven automation to significantly increase that number, reshaping how businesses approach content, marketing, and customer engagement. How Adobe's AI agents work. The real game changer isn't just these 10 AI agents, it's how they work together as an interconnected system. At the core of this setup is Agent Orchestrator, Adobe's AI-powered hub that allows businesses to manage multiple AI agents simultaneously, streamlining complex workflows with minimal human intervention. What sets this apart from traditional automation tools is its seamless AI collaboration. These agents can communicate and work together to optimize results. For example, the content production agent can generate marketing copy, while the experimentation agent simultaneously runs A/B tests to determine which content performs best. This level of coordination allows businesses to execute marketing strategies faster and more effectively. Additionally, Agent Orchestrator isn't limited to Adobe's AI ecosystem. It can integrate with third-party AI tools, significantly expanding its capabilities and making it adaptable for diverse business needs. This flexibility enables companies to leverage multiple AI solutions without being locked into a single provider. Another key feature is its data-driven personalization. These AI agents pull insights from Adobe Experience Platform AEP, allowing them to adapt in real time based on customer behavior and engagement patterns. This means businesses can automate content, marketing, and sales workflows with AI that continuously learns and improves. Adobe's goal is clear: full AI-driven automation of digital marketing, content production, and customer engagement. But the impact extends beyond businesses. Freelancers, agencies, and creative professionals will need to rethink their roles in this rapidly evolving AI-powered landscape. Brand Concierge. Alongside its AI agents, Adobe also introduced Brand Concierge, an AI-driven application designed to personalize customer interactions beyond what traditional chatbots can offer. Unlike basic automated systems, Brand Concierge doesn't just answer questions, it adapts responses based on customer history, provides product recommendations tailored to user preferences, and can even book follow-up meetings or automate sales processes. Adobe positions Brand Concierge as the bridge between AI and human-like customer interactions, aiming to create a more seamless and intuitive experience for users. This innovation arrives at a critical moment when AI-driven customer service is rapidly gaining traction. According to a recent Gartner report, by 2026, AI-powered automation will handle 75% of all customer service interactions, significantly reducing the need for human agents in support roles. The potential impact is twofold. For businesses, AI-driven solutions like Brand Concierge promise higher efficiency, lower operational costs, and improved customer engagement. However, for customer service professionals, this shift raises concerns about job security as AI becomes increasingly capable of handling inquiries, making personalized sales recommendations, and even closing deals without human involvement. As AI continues to evolve, companies will need to balance automation with the need for human oversight, ensuring that customer interactions remain genuine, efficient, and effective. The real impact on jobs in creative industries. With AI rapidly automating creative and marketing tasks, the big question is, what happens to human jobs? For entry-level designers, copywriters, and marketers, the impact is already being felt. According to a 2024 report by Goldman Sachs, AI could automate 25% of all creative industry jobs in the next 5 years. The content production agent alone can generate ad creatives, blog posts, and social media content instantly, reducing the need for junior copywriters and social media managers. The site optimization agent can detect and fix website issues without human developers, potentially replacing low-level web maintenance roles. And then there's the experimentation agent, which can run A/B tests and optimize marketing campaigns, a job typically done by marketing analysts. For businesses, this means cost savings and faster execution. But for employees, this could mean fewer opportunities at the entry level. However, there's a silver lining. New roles will emerge that focus on managing and directing AI workflows rather than doing manual tasks. According to LinkedIn's 2025 Workforce Trends Report, demand for AI specialists, AI workflow strategists, and AI-integrated marketing professionals is already on the rise. Instead of eliminating jobs outright, AI is shifting what skills are valuable in the industry. What experts are saying about AI's future. Adobe's move into agentic AI isn't happening in isolation. Big tech companies are rapidly embracing AI-driven automation across industries. Salesforce recently unveiled AI-powered sales agents capable of handling entire client interactions without human involvement. Meanwhile, Google is integrating AI-generated ads that can automatically optimize based on audience engagement, removing much of the manual work from digital advertising. Microsoft is also advancing its Copilot AI for marketing teams, streamlining tasks like content writing, campaign analysis, and performance optimization. Industry leaders are divided on what this means for creative professionals and marketers. Amit Ahuja, Senior Vice President of Adobe's Digital Experience business, believes this transformation is inevitable, stating, "Adobe is uniquely positioned to help brands meet this moment, with deep expertise in unifying AI, data, and content production workflows." On the other hand, Noah Breyer, co-founder of BRXND, warns that automation could reshape creative roles permanently, emphasizing, "We're moving toward a world where AI does the repetitive work. The creative industry must shift to higher-level thinking, strategy, and concept development." This signals a clear trend. AI will take over execution, while human professionals must shift toward more strategic, creative, and problem-solving roles. The transition is happening fast, and businesses that fail to integrate AI into their workflows risk falling behind in an increasingly automated world. How businesses can use these tools today. Adobe's AI agents are already available within the Adobe Experience Platform, AEP, meaning businesses can begin automating their workflows immediately. But how exactly can different industries leverage these AI-driven tools to their advantage? Marketing agencies can use the content production agent to generate client-ready ads, blog posts, and email campaigns in minutes, significantly reducing content creation time. E-commerce brands can integrate the Product Advisor Agent and Brand Concierge to build AI-powered shopping assistants, allowing customers to receive personalized recommendations tailored to their preferences. For web developers, the Site Optimization Agent provides continuous monitoring and automatic fixes for website issues, improving performance without requiring manual intervention. Corporate sales teams can streamline lead qualification using the Account Qualification Agent, which identifies high-value clients and prioritizes them without human oversight. Meanwhile, data-driven businesses can deploy the Data Insights Agent to extract key trends and optimize customer journeys without the need for additional analysts. Adobe's AI agents are also designed with enterprise-grade data security and compliance, ensuring that companies can integrate them seamlessly into existing workflows while adhering to privacy regulations. According to a Forrester research study, businesses that fully embrace AI-driven marketing could experience a 35% increase in efficiency by 2026. The message is clear. AI automation isn't a future concept. It's already transforming the way businesses operate today. Will AI ever fully replace human creativity? While AI is rapidly advancing, there's one thing it still struggles to replicate: true human creativity. Adobe's AI agents are designed for efficiency and optimization, but they lack original thought and genuine artistic intuition. AI operates within predefined datasets, meaning it recycles existing ideas rather than creating something entirely new. It can analyze sentiment and engagement patterns, but it doesn't possess real emotional intelligence, a key component in crafting stories and experiences that resonate deeply with audiences. Similarly, while AI can generate content at scale, it falls short in telling deep, original stories that require human intuition, personal experience, and emotional depth. This is why industries like film, music, and high-level design still rely heavily on human ingenuity. AI may assist in execution, but it cannot conceptualize groundbreaking ideas, push creative boundaries, or evoke emotions the way a human can. Adobe's AI isn't about replacing creativity. It's about scaling repetitive tasks so that humans can focus on strategy, innovation, and storytelling. However, the bigger question remains: will businesses continue to invest in human talent when AI can handle so much of the execution? Adobe's 10 AI agents represent a massive shift in how content, marketing, and digital experiences are created. The creative industry is no longer just about design, writing, and marketing. It's now about AI integration, automation, and strategic innovation. So what happens next? Businesses that embrace AI will be able to scale faster, cut costs, and optimize their workflows more efficiently than ever before. Creative professionals, on the other hand, will need to adapt, upskilling and learning how to work alongside AI to stay relevant in an increasingly automated world. AI will continue advancing, but human creativity will remain the driving force behind true innovation. This isn't the end of creativity, it's the beginning of a new era, one where AI and human ingenuity must work together to shape the future of content and digital experiences. The real question is, are you ready for it? If you've made it this far, let us know what you think in the comment section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.